Hey y'all, Delaney Marie Hall here. I have a new video. It's my caramel sauce. It's really delicious. I use it for just about everything. First step, add the sugar to your skillet or pot. And you're just going to whisk it until it's all melted. It takes probably 10-ish minutes. And you want it to be a nice amber color, not too cooked, because the longer you cook it, the more bitter it'll taste. But once you get it to that nice beautiful amber color, you'll smell, smells great. You're going to add your butter into it and continue to whisk. You have to mix all that oil from the butter and with the caramel, so it takes a few minutes. I keep taking it off the heat because I don't want it to splash up on me. My little pot was a little small, probably, for the caramel sauce. But just keep mixing until it's all incorporated. Then after that, you're going to add your heavy whipping cream, which I do here. And again, be careful because it does steam up and it can get really hot. And just mix it. So basically you're going to let it simmer for about 2 minutes, depending on what you're using it for. I love this sauce. You can use it in your coffee. You can add it to your cake fillings. This is actually my exact recipe I use for cake fillings. And it's great when you drizzle over stuff like my brownies. This is exactly what I drizzle. I'll let it cool to room temperature before I put it on top of the brownies. I also make sure my brownies are completely refrigerated overnight before I add it because it just makes an easier cut. But if you want them right away and you don't mind them looking messy, then go straight for it. So yeah, here I'm getting my container ready and just add it right in there. Make sure it's not going to break or anything like that. And you can add as much salt as you want. I use sea salt flakes and I put 3 grams in there. But if you want more, you can add more. If you want less, add less. I also add vanilla, a little vanilla paste to mine. You don't need it, but I like a little jazzing it up. And that's it. Y'all enjoy it and let me know if you like it. Subscribe to the videos and I'll keep posting them if y'all like them. Thanks so much. Bye.